back to my channel. I'm Jamie and today is Graphic Liner Trend Tuesday. This is my second installment of my new series, so if you like graphic liners, just keep watching. I'm gonna insert a picture of what I'm gonna do on my face right here, and I'm gonna try to recreate that. Remember, I say I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm just a girl who likes makeup and collects makeup and loves to wear makeup. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the look. I'm going to be using the Me, Myself, and Mama Mitchell palette. It's one of my favorite palettes of all time. I use this like crazy. I didn't know I was going to love this so much when I got it, but girl, this thing is amazeballs. Especially for colorful looks, this is my go-to. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the blue, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color Mist right there. And I'm gonna put that on the outer side of my, well actually, let's start with the pink. Let's start with the pink, girl. I'm gonna go in with Morning Glory, and that would be this one right here, this really vibrant pink. And I'm gonna start with that. So, should I take the film off this? I never have. Maybe I'll use it. Ooh-wee. My battery's going dead, so hopefully it won't die. Okay, there's more film on it. Well, I'm just gonna have to go with that. Let's get into the color Morning Glory. I'm gonna put it on the inner side of my eye. Maybe this brush was too fluffy, but that's okay. It'll just be a more fluffy look, I guess. Let me get another brush. I'm gonna get a blending brush here. It's not a big deal. I've been using the same brushes I got from Walmart, the 3-pack of Real Technique brushes for like $5. They were on sale. So I'm not gonna put you forward today. Sorry about that, but I feel like it's hard for me to like look down and then, yeah, I feel like you're not seeing everything. So it's not gonna be a quality video if I do that. Okay, I'm going into that blue color, Mist, which is this one right here. And go ahead and put that on the outside. And I'll probably go back and forth with these. Wait, let me get that cleaned off. I'm gonna go back and forth with these until I get the desired look I want. This is just gonna be kind of a real quick one. I don't think this one's too hard. If you guys wanna do this and tag me in it, let me know. I think this one's pretty easy, but everybody has their own skill level. My level is probably medium, on the lower end of medium, so that's what I think anyways. I think I got a little bit too much over here in this corner, so I'm gonna try to buff that out a whole lot. I don't know, let's put a little bit more over it. Let's add insult to injury. Oh my goodness. If you can hear A, my air conditioner, sorry, B, they're tearing up the street out here, and they just always pick the times where I'm filming. Of course, why wouldn't they? Yeah, so I just got back from the gym. If you guys think I look nasty, sorry about that. My bad, my blunder. But you know, gotta get that gym workout on, baby. What am I gonna do now? I know there's a little bit underneath. Let me find. I don't know if this is exactly the same, but I'm gonna put a little of blue right here. Whoops, I dipped into the wrong thing. And a little bit of pink right below that. See, I'm like really fast with my looks. Like I said before, I should slow the fuck down so that I can get really nice, precise looks. But girl, you know me. I am a hot mess, and that is part of my brand. Everybody loves a hot mess, right? It already looks cute, okay? You can't deny that this already looks cute, right? Right. I guess when I come home from the gym, I have, what's that word? Energy. Let's blend some of this blue out because it looks a little harsh. Let's take, I don't know what to take. I'm gonna take a skin type of a color and kind of blend over that to kind of taper it down. I'll show it to you here in a minute. If you guys don't have this palette, you're sleeping on it, man. I used Modest to kind of blend it out of that blue because it was looking a little harsh. So this is kind of like a Harley Quinn type thing. Really kind of cutesy. I'm gonna put a little bit more in here since I got a lot over in this corner. Might as well make a match, you know? Yeah, it was reminding me of like a Harley Quinn look, and I am not hating it. Yeah, so I have my hair up because I went to the gym. Let me get out my Epic Wear white liner by NYX, and that's where the fun part comes in. Let's see. I'm gonna stack this way up so I can just go like this. Hopefully, yeah, I think you can see, and I think you'll be able to see. Let's start here. I noticed when you use this liner, it kind of makes things look neon. So I think I already kind of screwed it up, but we'll fix it. And start here. See, that's what messes me up. I'm always trying to look at the camera. I don't know about this liner though. And when it says Epic Wear, it ain't lying. Like, it won't come off. And then you do a little... Oh, I messed that up. Hopefully it'll come off. But yeah, when it says Epic Wear, it is Epic Wear. I think mine's bigger than a girl's, but... Let me dry this a little bit, and then I'll go in and fix where the liner got over the shadow, and I'll kind of buff out everything, make sure it's kind of, you know, more smooth. So I'm going to go back in with the palette on the colors that I used and kind of just try to cover that up. If you can kind of see that mess up right there. We'll see if that works. If not, we might have to take concealer. That's fine. I just get messy with this stuff sometimes. But it looks rather similar, right? Am I right or am I wrong? But let's see here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some on my finger and put that right over that. I shouldn't have moved my eyes. Mine's gonna be, there's gonna be more shadow in mine because I did a mess up. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Okay. And I like that so far. And I'm gonna go off the camera real quick, and I'm gonna zhuzh it up a little bit. So I went over and cleaned up a lot of stuff, and used some concealer, blended a little bit, and this is the final look. I put a little bit of mascara on, but I want the liner to steal the show. I do believe I need to get a new one of those liners because it is kind of, you know, breaking up and stuff. So it would be more smoother and stuff if I got a new one. But anyways, hopefully you like this look. I'm happy with it. I think it's cute. I would go out like this, would you? But anyways, make sure you go down in my description box and follow all of my social medias. And I will see you next Tuesday, if not before then. And thanks for watching. Later, Ellie.